even one line of code we won't be writing manually. So this is a new trend called vibe coding, and let's try creating the application now. And before going any further, here we have even created a similar application in Flutter here. As a part of vibe coding, we used the cursor AI tool and created this particular application, and the link for the tutorial I'll be providing in the description section below, and I suggest you to even go through it to get the understanding like how a Flutter application was created. So now we are using two AI tools here. The first one is ChatGPT here, and here we have created the prompt using this particular ChatGPT tool, and this particular prompt will be passing on to the cursor AI tool over here. So in the cursor AI, this comes up like an IDE. It's not a normal tool. Here we do have an IDE integrated with the cursor AI here, and this particular cursor AI will try to write the code for you in the agent mode here,